Stop scrolling for a second. If your attention feels absolutely broken lately, it's not your fault, but it is your problem. And today we're going to fix it. We're going to discuss 3 points today. Point number 1, your brain is drowning in tiny alerts. Every ping, buzz, and red bubble steals a few seconds. But those seconds stack up. Before you know it, your day is chopped into 1,000 little pieces. The solution? Turn off 90% of your notifications. Yes, 90. You'll actually feel lighter and relaxed. Point number 2, you're multitasking yourself into exhaustion. Switching tasks feels productive, but it melts your focus like ice in the sun. If you want your attention back, do one thing at a time. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Just 10. Protect that tiny bubble of focus like it's the last cookie in the jar. Point number 3, you never reset your mind. Your brain isn't a machine. It needs breathing space. A 2-minute walk, a slow sip of water, a moment with no screen in sight. These tiny resets rebuild your attention far faster than caffeine ever will. Try these 3 things for just one day and you'll feel the shift. And if you want more clarity, one idea at a time, subscribe.